Did you know you can use AutoCAD 100% free if you are a student? If you are a student learning design, architecture, or engineering, this video is for you. I'll show you how to download AutoCAD completely free using the official license. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had just recorded a video about how to get Microsoft Office 365 free for 1 year. Here you can see manage subscription. You can also see the next charge date March 21, 2027. So now this video is for AutoCAD. I will give this link in this video description and first comment also. Just click on that link. Here you can see if you want to download this AutoCAD, click on this select. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. Here you can see subscription plan, student, educator and school IT administrator. For this video I am a student, so I will show you how to get AutoCAD free as a student. So simply click on this select button. Now click on this continue. Now here you need to type your email address. So if you don't have a edu email, then I'll suggest you to join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. You will find how to get edu email in a free. So here you need to type your email address manually. Here you can see a notification emails match. Click on this I agree, then click on this continue. Now you need to fill first name and last name and educational role, student and first name last name, and type here your date of birth. Then click on this continue button and you need to type here your school address. After the fill school address, scroll down and click here school information, institution type high school or university. Click on high school if you are enrolled in high school, or you can simply select university post secondary. Name of your educational institute. After select your college name, simply select paste here your college website URL with https. This is the SSL. Then select this. The information is accurate and match the identification provided by my school. Click on this continue button. create an account. If you had already a account, then simply log in that account in this tab. I don't have any account, so click on this create an account, then type here your email address, click on next, sending code via email. Now we need to fill this captcha. Now we need to type here OTP. Here you can see just we received a OTP from Autocad. Then click on this next. Now we need to create a password and type here your name. This is the marketing checkbox, so you need to, this is optional, create an account. Now we had successfully logged in our account. Now here you can see upload additional document. You have 14 days to upload your documentation, your legal name and date of birth. So scroll down. Now we need to upload our student ID card. Simply upload the document and click on this continue button. You will be eligible for 1 year AutoCAD free for 1 year and without any payment detail. And if you don't have a edu email, then you can directly buy from techpolester.com. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolester.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.